Okay, this is material of making squares. It is an exercise of math subject, making squares, and at the age of 5 years you can give the child, around 5 years even, you can give the child making squares. Okay, and for this you are going to have a basket. In that you will keep one bar of 1, and these are the material consists of unit bars. Okay, this is related to unit bars, and all the colors which you can see in the bead stairs are available here. Okay, but the quantity, I am going to tell you the quantity of all these. Bar 1 is 1 in number. Okay, then bar 2 is, the bar 2 you should have 2 in number in this basket. Okay, 2 bars you are going to take. Okay, and if it is bar 3, you are going to take 3 bars of 3. Okay, I am going to show you here. I am having 3 bars of 3, you can see. Then 4 bars of 4. 4 bars of 4 you should have in this basket. Okay, 4 done. And then 5 bars of 5, 6 bars of 6 bars of 6, then 7 bars of 7, 8 bars of 8, and 9 bars of 9 you should have in this basket. So this is the quantity of the material. And now I am going to tell you the direct aim. Direct aim of this exercise, the child is going to learn squares of these unit numbers starting from 1 to 9. In the same exercise, we will make the child learn the squares. Okay, and then squares of different unit numbers from 1 to 9. This is the direct aim. Indirect aims, this information, this knowledge will help the child in further in different exercises also. Okay, and indirect preparation for further work is there. Age group is 5 years. It is individual exercise. Control of error is the previous knowledge of the child that is related to counting and the directress also. Okay, now I am going to start the work with the child. The child is on my left side. It is individual exercise, and I will pick up bar 1 from its hook. With the help of its hook, I have to pick up this one. Okay, with right hand, 2 fingers. Okay, now I am going to, after placing it here, you are going to ask the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer, say yes. Okay, if the child is not saying yes, you can even tell yourself, the child, yes, it looks like a square. Okay, and then you will say the child, okay, start counting the beads in this bar. The child will count. This is the work of the child, to count the beads in the bar. 1. The child will tell you 1. Okay, then you will explain the child, you will give the lesson to the child that 1 square is equal to 1. 1 square is equal to 1. Then you are going to pick up bar 2, and now you are going to tell the child this is 2, leaving some gap between the two. Between these 2 bars, you are going to place it here, and 2 bar here, you are going to place it here below this one. Okay, by joining with this one. Okay, and then you are going to ask the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer yes from all sides. Now it looks like a square. Okay, now counting the beads, all the beads in these bars, the child will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. And if he has done skip counting of 2, then he can tell you 2, 4. Okay, because if the child knows the skip counting of 2, so you will say the child, okay, 2 square is equal to 4, 2 square is equal to 4, 2 squares are 3, leaving some gap between the 2 colors, and you are going to put it here, and then you are going to say the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer, no ma'am. Okay, then you are going to pick up another one. You are going to place this one here. You are going to ask the child same question, does it look like a square? This time the child will answer again no, and then you are going to pick up another one, the third bar of 3, and after placing this, you are going to say the child, does it look like a square? Now the child will answer you, yes, it looks like a square. Okay, now you are going to say the child, please count, start counting how many beads are there in these bars of 3. The child will start counting 3, 6, 9. Okay, by skip counting answer, you are going to make the child repeat with you. 3 squared is equal to 9. 3 squared is equal to 9. Okay, after repeating with the child, next bar you are going to show this is 4. After placing it here, leaving some gap between the two colors, and then you are going to say the child, okay, tell me, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Then you are going to add one more, join one more with this one, and then ask the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Then you are going to put another one. Okay, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Now ask the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer yes. Okay, physical 8, 12, 16. Okay, after that, after counting by the child, you are going to repeat with the child. 4 squared is equal to 16. 4 squared is equal to 16. Okay, then you are going to say the child, okay, next bar you are going to show the child and place it here. This is bar of 5. Okay, now tell me, does it look like a square? The child will tell you no. Does it look like a square? The child will tell you no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Okay. भाग रहा है ये, भाग इससे तो ये इसकी शायद हुक की वजह से. ओके, अब खड़ा हो गया. Does it look like a square? The child will answer yes. Okay, now tell me how many beads are there in these bars of 5? The child can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If the child knows the skip counting, he can count by skipping 5, 5. Otherwise, he can count the whole beads linearly, and he will tell you 25. Okay, now you are going to repeat with the child. 5 square is equal to 25. 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, you will continue the work by putting bar of 6 here. Okay, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Okay. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer yes. Okay, now count how many beads are here all together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yes, 6 square is equal to 36. 6 square is equal to 36. Okay. Then you are going to show the child, this is bar of 7. Okay. Now you are going to put all these, okay, one by one, asking the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. You will keep on adding one by one and then ask the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Now you will ask the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Okay, at any point, at any position, when the child is confused, you can even yourself tell the child no. Okay. Does it look like a square? You will, the child will answer, yes ma'am, okay, it looks like a square. Now tell me how many beads are there in this square. And the child will start counting. At the end he will tell you these are 49, and then you are going to repeat with the child, 7 squared is equal to 49. 7 squared is equal to 49. Okay. Now you are going to do with the next one. Okay, bar 8. You are going to put it here. And then you are going to start asking the child, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. After putting it here, does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Okay. Does it look like a square? The child will answer yes. Okay, now count and tell me how many beads are there in these bars. The child will start counting. He will he can linearly count or through skip counting if he knows. At the end he will tell you that these are 64 in number. Okay, and then you are going to repeat with the child, 8 squared is equal to 64. 8 squared is equal to 64. Then you are going to show the child, this is 9. This is 9. Okay. Placing it here. Okay. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Okay. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Okay. Does it look like a square? The child will answer no. Does it look like a square? The child will answer yes. Okay, then you are going to say the child, okay, start counting. How many beads are here in these bars? Okay, the child will start counting linearly, or he can take help of skip counting, and then at the end he will tell you 81. Then you are going to repeat with the child, 9 square is equal to 81. 9 square is equal to 81. 9 square is equal to 81. So this is how this exercise is done, and then you are going to place the material back in the basket. And after putting all these back here, then at the end, with the help of the child, you will put the basket back on its place in the cupboard.